Be sure to read and follow the safety guidelines to protect your computer from potential damage and ensure your personal safety. For more information about safety guidelines, see the owner's manual at dell.com/support. Before you begin, turn off the computer and disconnect all the attached peripherals. Before proceeding, ensure your computer is in service mode. To enter service mode, press and hold the B key on the keyboard and then press the power button. Now, the computer will boot up and the owner tag information is displayed on the screen. Press any key to proceed. The computer will emit 3 short beeps and shut down, indicating it has entered the service mode. Removing the fan and heatsink assembly, loosen the 8 screws on the base cover. Using a plastic scribe, pry open from the base near the hinges. Lift the base cover off. Identify the fan and heatsink assembly. Disconnect the fan cable from the connector on the system board. Remove the 2 screws that secure the fan. Loosen the 4 captive screws. Lift and remove the fan and heatsink assembly from the computer. Installing the fan and heatsink assembly. Align and place the fan and heatsink assembly on the system board. Tighten the 4 captive screws to secure the fan and heatsink assembly. Replace the 2 screws to secure the fan. Connect the fan cable to the connector on the system board. Place the base cover back on the system and tighten the 8 screws. To exit service mode, connect the AC adapter and press the power button. Please note, the system will only power on and exit service mode if the adapter is connected. For more information about your Dell system, visit dell.com/support.